Today, in this video, I'm going to explain Samsung Galaxy A34 hard reset or pattern unlock. Turn off your Samsung Galaxy A34 by pressing and holding the volume down plus power buttons simultaneously. Enter recovery mode by pressing and holding the volume up plus power keys simultaneously until the recovery mode menu appears on the screen. Navigate to the wipe data or factory reset option using the volume buttons to scroll down. Confirm your selection by pressing the power key. Choose the factory data reset option from the menu using the same volume and power keys. Confirm the reset by selecting yes or confirm using the power key. Wait for the reset process to complete. Once the reset is finished, select Reboot System Now using the power button. Follow the on-screen instructions to set up your device. Your phone will be completely reset to its original factory settings.
This video helped you out, please leave a like and comment down below. If this worked for you, thanks for watching.